Alright, we are back, guys, to another not a blended live stream, but a Visual Studio live stream. My god, I think the last time we've done this was freaking 4 months ago, I think. But anyways, we're back to finally getting back to working on my website. Oh, and I guess I should probably show myself in the stream here. Boop. Hi guys, what's up? 3D Morgan's back. And to sort of, the reason why I'm using my 3D model is because I noticed I haven't really been using this model for the longest time. So I figured I should probably let it stretch its legs and be the sort of figure that's going to be shown on your guys' screen for this live stream. But anyway, welcome guys to a Visual Studio Code live stream. If you haven't, if you weren't here, like I think 4 months ago, you would have missed a series of live streams where I've just pretty much been making a website for myself. And for the longest time, I've been working on this website. I don't know if I can still see it here, but if I search up NeoCities over here, there will be a website I haven't really touched in a while. This is the vanilla log website. Oh wait, it's not it. Here it is. And my god, the featured art is no longer here, I guess. As well as the social media items. Frick. Yeah, so if you guys weren't here last time I've done these sorts of streams, I was making a website for myself. And the last time I've done this, I pretty much just made a homepage for myself, which is you know, pretty cool on its own. And there used to be a bunch of photos here, but I guess for some reason whenever I try to import photos from Discord to NeoCities, it just doesn't work, I guess. But yeah, this is not gonna be this is not gonna do. We need to sort of fix everything about this site because I haven't been freaking doing some studio code for the longest time. What else? Oh yeah, and we also need to work on some of these home pages here as well. But here's the problem, guys. I haven't been learning how to code for the longest time now. So not only have I still not learned about JavaScript, but I also forgot a little bit about freaking HTML and CSS while I was not doing this for the longest time. And that sort of that freaking got me a bit worried. By the way, the reason I haven't worked on this is because there were so many projects that I was working on during the latter half of 2024. Like, I was making a freaking music album, a animation I haven't done yet, and of course I've worked on numerous Blender projects, and just recently I've been working on a bunch of freaking pixel art. You know, just to sort of flex on my on my art skills, I guess. But yeah, I haven't been working on my coding skills in a while. So this is going to be the first, well, not really the first stream, but a stream where I try to relearn what I've forgotten for the longest time, while also rewatching like a JavaScript tutorial, because I don't think I need to really learn again CSS and HTML. It's just that if HTML and if some HTML and CSS concepts come back to me while learning about JavaScript, I might probably still remember some of them. But yeah, there's going to be a JavaScript, me relearning some code and learning about JavaScript in all the while. But I want to go back to the tradition of just looking at some website that some people made in NeoCities. So if you guys aren't aware, NeoCities is like a place that newbies who are just learning how to code and make a website can go to like publish their websites and shit. You can only have like a max website size of 5 gigabytes in this hosting service if you're using the free version. But anyways, it's still like a easy way for people who are not aware, who doesn't know how to code, to sort of get into coding by like making a website and shit. So without further ado, let's go to freaking NeoCities, and I want to look at some websites that some people made here. Just to hold on. I need to hide some stuff here. Hold on. Frick. You guys need to hold on. I haven't signed into my account yet, so it's going to be a little bit of a problem. So I'm just going to hide this. Hold on. How do I do this? How do I sign in? There it is. No log, sign in. Here it is. Okay. Alright, I haven't updated this in 2 months. Alright. Okay, so I'm back here, I guess. Let's go ahead and open this up again. Nice. Alright. So, let me just go to their website's page, and I just want to look at some things that people have made while I was gone. And I can see that there's some. Oh wait, no, this is just another. Are there other? Hold on. Most followed, maybe. Here we go. No, nothing changed. Still the same, I guess. Yeah, I guess nothing really changed here when it comes to what's the most followed. How about new? How about sort it out by newest? Just to see what people are up to. Let me just actually move myself here first. Let me see. A website of Sparkle Town free of the Aperture. Ooh. All right, Cacpers Cyberden. All right. Wow. Dang. You made a website when you're only 20 years old? Sheesh. I mean, I shouldn't be surprised. I mean, there are some computer classes in the West that pretty much what's it called? Pretty much teaches kids now how to make a website. Which I'm sort of jealous sometimes, because back when I was in grade 4, which is when I first had my first computer class, they only taught us basic stuff like the Microsoft Office suite, and that's pretty much it. Like I wouldn't be surprised if it was if that computer class was sponsored by Microsoft themselves, because all we were taught about was just how to make a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, an Excel sheet. Who knows what the fuck we need? Why we need to learn about Excel sheets in grade 4? And for some reason we also talked about eBay while we were in computer classes, which is weird. But yeah, we were taught a simple things in computer class when I was back then, but nothing like this. All right, what to say here? Welcome to my website. Name's Cacper. I apologize if I don't know your name. I'm using this as a way to learn CSS and HTML, and also as a way to make a space of my own on the internet. Kind of away from social media and the likes. Don't know what else I'll do with this, but we'll see. And we gotta build some emoticons here. And a pixel art GIF of... What's that? I don't know who this character is. Oh yes, even as a... Is that LinkedIn? Oh no, it's a space. It's a what's that? Space hay? What's space hay? Let me see. Open link in new tab. Let's see what this is all about. Wow. What is this? Wait, what? Space hay, a space for friends? 20-year-old Polish nerd living in Germany. I'm cringe, but I'm free. Dang. Okay. Apart from the website itself, is this a social media web? Is this a social media site? Because I'm now compelled to make an account here. That I'm looking at how, I don't think I don't think by default they will let you have this image from Resident Evil 4, right? Like, it would have only been possible if it was like made, if they gave you the option to customize your homepage, which sort of reminds me of some old pictures of YouTube back then. Wow. Television, early 2000s slice of life anime. Lucky Star, show experience with Lane, anything else that. Okay, so you might as well just change this this description of yourself, of your favorite television, just your favorite anime. Movies, don't really watch movies. Satoshi Kon's works are good though. Oh, you're talking Satoshi Kon. That reminds me of I haven't watched any of Satoshi Kon's works, but I've seen video essays of his movies in YouTube, specifically from Super Eye Patch Wolf, regarding some works he did, like Paranoia Agent. It's pretty good. Okay, based on this guy's resume here, it looks like he's a closeted weeb, I guess. Okay. I know I'm not really exploring this guy's website, but I'm now interested in making a social media website, a social media account here. If this is the kind of things we if this is the level of customizability you can get with when you sign up to Space Hay. Anyway, back to here. What's the portfolio? Okay, so, well, I mean, yeah, it's a new site, so there won't be any art here. Blog? Wow, this what's the name of this sort of style? The Fruitiger Arrow style that's popular in the mid 2000s. I like the contrast between your homepage and your and your blog. Yeah, it's a very noob thing to do, but I like the fact that you're going for the Fruitiger Arrow style. I haven't seen that in a while now. But anyway, I guess that's Cacburst Cyberdin. Let's go back to NeoCities. Not much to say there. What is Splice Unlimited? Stardust Skeletons. What is this? Someone make a business website in NeoCities? That's a bold thing for you to do. Hey, normally you would like instead make a website in oh wow, like you see, that's like the good thing about the great thing about about NeoCities. You never know what the frick you would expect from the users of NeoCities. Like when I first got involved in NeoCities, I thought it was all just going to be like personal websites, but someone here is, I think, making a hosting service. When you get involved, sheesh. What I don't like about this website, this website design, is that it sort of reminds me of modern website design, wherein everything just looks too clean. Like I want the kind of websites that have some sort of some sort of roughness to them, like my website here. Or say something like Astro Museum, you know? I mean, I guess this is a little bit too clean, but it still has like some personality behind it. Oh my god. I do like this. Dang, I like this simple, this simple shading to this. Welcome to Tracker TD's homepage, where you can find a bunch of stuff I've made, including video game mods, big game things that interest me, Sega Dreamcast VMU icons, and more. The Sonic Zone. Yeah, we have the About page, the Game Center. I don't know what the VMU station is, but then we have specifically a zone made specifically for Sonic the Hedgehog. Wonder what this is all about. Ooh. The Sonic Perfect System Collection, Trackers Sonic mods? Sonic Mania mods, Dancing Sonic, TD bug fixes, Spin Dash Ledge Drop, Sonic Mania TDX, Sonic Mania and Hatsune Miku. I know since I've been replaying some Sonic Advance games lately. I haven't finished Sonic Advance 3 yet because, my god, I don't ever since I've been introduced to the fast-paced gameplay of Sonic Advance 2, I can't go back to the slow gameplay of Sonic Advance 1 and most definitely 3. But I've heard some good reviews with Sonic Mania, and I want to play that game for a while now, but I haven't gotten into it yet. Although I heard that the Sonic Mania for some reason is part of Netflix games, which I think I would maybe play. I'll maybe play that version maybe at some point. Let's have a Netflix account somewhere. What's a Game Center? Trackers Games of the Year 2023. This doesn't look like a 2023 game. This game deserves a spot on this list just for Hatsuma's scarf technology. Honestly, Shinobi's PS2 reboot. Shinobi's PS2 reboot. I can't English right now, I guess. It's slick, stylish, and extremely satisfying to master. It's easily one of the best games I've played this year. Hatsuma, this game's titular shinobi, returns home from a trip to Japan. Returns from a trip to find Japan in ruins and his entire clan murdered by Hellspawn. To make things worse, not too long into this journey, the curse on his sword gets unsealed and starts to sap his life away unless he keeps killing. And he's up against his friends, who are now reanimated corpses. As a result, the game is a balancing act of not just killing everything in your path, but doing it as fast as possible to keep your sword's hunger at bay. Wow. So it's kind of like, so you have to keep killing or else you die, I guess? It's further emphasized by the game's Tate system. If you kill 4 or more enemies in rapid succession, Hatsuma will pull off a stylish finishing move that provides far more souls to keep the sword's hunger sated. Also results in a hefty power boost to the sword, letting you melt through enemies like butter after enough kills. So this kind of like the way Devil May Cry works, wherein you're sort of forced to like keep your fight cool and all by doing attacks that constantly kills your enemies, I guess. Platforming, Bomb Rush Cyberpunk. Is this oh, is this the one that got cancelled, or I forgot the name of that game, but it was like it was inspired by Jet Set Radio. I heard it was a rhythm game. F-Zero, wow. F-Zero as well. Specifically F-Zero GX. Isn't that like the last F-Zero game that was published before? It's now like an indefinite hiatus to F-Zero, and now you only see rounds of F-Zero through Smash Brothers and shit. That's sad. Mm. Anyway, I kind of like this. Legend of Heroes. I see that you like you really like your I thought this was I thought this was this was Fire Emblem for a second there, but no, it's Phantasy Star 2. Whenever I think of now a blue-haired protagonist, I think, oh, that's Marth from Fire Emblem, you know. But dang, I can sort of see that you like your PS2 games, sir. What else? Yeah, I guess that's it. What else can you? What is there? A VMU station coming soon. Okay. All right. What else is? What else are some websites that people here have made? This looks calming. Wait. Yeah, let's look at this thing. The tags a diary, personal life. Oh, I can't. Oh shit! This is. How do I get these customizable buttons? I really want to put these customizable buttons somewhere. But Lamentations 2, Lament Harder. Core Reactor. Let's see. Are there any good ones here? None of these really stick out to me. It looks like a bunch of unfinished websites that people made. Oh, here we go. Your soul is mine. Oh, shit. Wait, who is this? Lilith Knox. Lilith Knox? Who's Lilith Knox? That's okay, she's a VTuber, I guess. And she has an RSS feed? My god. Okay. Oh, also, yeah. I'm reading at... Oh, I think my body is freaking blocking what's being read down here. But it says here... Oh, also, yeah. Demon has joined the Eldenwood Beast Sky social team. Eldenwood is a community that promotes bringing together and highlighting VTubers who are 30 or older. Are you telling me this girl is a MILF? Ooh, maybe. Okay. Sheesh. Okay. What's us here? Well, guess I'm spending all my time over here now. I'll still cross-post some stuff between here and Twitter, but I think the combo of the block changes and the AI training without the ability to opt out was the final straw for me. Oh, I guess this guy's complaining about what's it called? What's it? AI in Twitter? Sheesh. I read of that news just recently. And now I'm scared of sharing my art there on Twitter. I mean, that's sad, I guess. Oh, he also has like a schedule here of when she streams. Monday off, Tuesday 2 p.m. EST, Wednesday 5 p.m. Dang, this girl's grinding. Like, I couldn't imagine myself now streaming 4 times a week, considering that I have my college to do on my off time. So nice to see that she somehow finds a way to find time streaming. Anyway, what else is seen in this bio of hers? Who am I? I am the demon of knowledge, stuck in this immortal realm. I was summoned by a human, and while my summoner has long since become no more, I have not yet been able to return home, since I need a way to maintain the energy that keeps my form able to interact with the mortal realm, and to pass the time, I possess the body of a mortal and began streaming. Sheesh, that's like the generic VTuber lore, right? Like, I'm a demon of God, but now I am forced to reside in your mortal human realm to And to work off with all of the wages that has been put onto me, I'm going to be streaming to make up for all the taxes that I have accumulated while I reside in your human world. And now I'm a VTuber, I guess. That's like the generic like VTuber lore, right? Okay, as I slowly began to lose hope of ever returning, I slowly began altering my nature and integrating myself into the internet itself. This grand place is the closest thing to my library I have access to anymore. The greatest congregation of human knowledge there is in this plane. Alright. I don't think I have any VTuber lore of my own. I just I don't know, I just exist. That's the lore, I guess. No, it's kind of like it's kind of Lovecraftian, I guess. Like the fact that I just exist throughout space and time. But content-wise, I'm a variety streamer. Anything that catches my eye is fair game for streaming, whether it's an interesting game, working on art, or learning a new skill. You never know what you're gonna get, but it'll always be fun at least. I'm also character illustrator and VTuber model maker and rigger and other commissions. You can find more information on that at my card. Is that a typing error? Here. I used to work on projects that make my stream a little more unique and interactive in my little free time too. I'm currently working on a chat pet project inspired by Tamagotchis. Oh, I like Tamagotchis. I haven't owned one, but it does remind me when I first looked at what a Tamagotchi looked like. It reminded me of the app game called POW. And I know it's kind of fun, like taking care of your own digital pet. You know, it has all the benefits of a pet without ever the worry of it dying. You know. Right now it runs entirely inside Mix It Up. Chat can interact by giving it food and water, and if it is neglected for too long, it will die. It also keeps track of how many times it's died. We're currently up to 15 deaths. Currently, I'm working on an evolution system, so the pet could go from an egg to baby state to an adult state that can take a number of forms. I think I've heard of this plugin before. Back when I was like streaming on Twitch, which, by the way, I used to stream on Twitch, but now I'm permanently streaming on YouTube full time. But back when I was streaming on Twitch, hold on, wait, is my thing clipping onto the? Oh, it is clipping. Shit. Let me just shrink myself for a bit. There we go. Let me see. Okay, there we go. So yeah, back when I was streaming on Twitch, I think I've once used a sort of add-on on Twitch, which got me a little bit culture shock for a bit, because I've been streaming for the longest time on YouTube, and it's the first time I've heard of things like Twitch plugins that you can use to increase the interactivity of your streams. And I don't think I was able to really get that plugin to work. This entire pet plugin to work, because I don't know, it for some reason it just didn't work on my end. And plus, I this is I guess my own personal opinion, but I don't really I don't really like it. I don't really like Twitch plugins in general. You know, like why increase the interactivity of your live streams? You know, it's sort of like puts a lot of distractions to what you're actually doing in your live streams, and it gets kind of messy when you're working with so many plugins all at once. And I'd rather have it be that my live stream be like this sort of meditative scene where you guys can just focus on me and myself just working on things like Blender or music, without some TOS going, hey, this guy subscribed to you for 3 months or this guy donated to you $3. But yeah, okay, what else is here? Oh, he also wants to learn Godot. When was this made? As I heard that Godot was sort of under fire for stuff that I don't want to get into right now. But hey, it's good to see that she's working on a lot of shit. You know, I sort of like strive to be this kind of person that always has something to do, even in their off time. Like, it's the reason why I'm working with not only with my Blender projects, but with pixel art projects, with some music projects, and now this website project that I'm that I'm working on. That's cool. Anyway, let's go for one more website, then we can start doing some what's it called? We'll start doing some JavaScript some JavaScript stuff, you know. All right, let's see. Okay, Buckaroo Sunday. Okay, this is an interesting. Wow, is this a? This has to be like an interactive website or something. I mean, it has to be like a an ebook that someone made out of New City's Foundation. The Misadventures of Buckaroo Sunday. Messed up again. It looks like it's been disassembled. I like the art style to this. It's very simple, but it kind of reminds me of I was about to say Nimona, but this feels a little bit more detailed than Nimona. I like the line art though. Hammer and nails are gone too. Glad I keep spares. Oh, so I noticed I'm blocking the screen again. Let me just move myself here. What kind of varmint made this? Are these scraps? I don't have a garden. What's that? Okay, maybe I'll not get into this because this is probably I'm probably screwing someone out of their work by just showing the pages here. But if you guys want to read this, this is the link to his or her website. But I like your art style, man. Buckaroo Sunday. Let's see, where can you buy physical copies of this? Ko-Fi? You have a Ko-Fi. Ooh. Hey. Any comic. $12. And you have two sold? Oh my. Alright guys, go support Hazy Hunt if you don't know, if you're a fan of this sort of style. I'll not read any more of this because I don't wanna just plagiarize what you worked on. So anyway, I'm just going to change the layout of my entire screen here. Hold on, wait, okay, wait. Let me just pull up Visual Studio Code here. Shrink this down. Oh, wait, is that it? That's not it. There it is. Okay. Turn this down. Put up Visual Studio Code over here. There we go. And let's get into work. Let's get to work, guys. Yeah. Okay. So I guess to start off my how do I say this? Oh, it changed. Start off my freaking website here. Let me just get a, how do I say this? This ain't my workspace. Open folder. Let's go. Let me just move myself here. Okay. Thumbnails. Where is it? Not thumbnails. It's in my. What crap is it again? Open and recent. There it is. JavaScript tutorial. Don't save. Here it is. Okay. Oh, should happen here, I guess. Oh wait, no. All right, there we go. Okay, so now we got this here. I'm going to watch now a video on JavaScript on. Should I do it on my phone or should I do it on my computer? Yeah, maybe I'll do it on my computer. Let's see, JavaScript tutorial. There we go. Yeah, I know. Now that I'm remembering what I've used to learn code, I can't believe I forgot about bro code of all people. Bro code is nice, I must say. Let me see. It's a bro code JavaScript tutorial. All right. Should I turn on desktop audio for this one? Sure, why not? I'll turn on desktop audio. Okay, let me see. Okay. All right. I'll not show you guys the video, but I'll instead just show you guys the audio for this. It's just to just keep you guys in track on what I'm watching.
Prompt. We will ask a user how old.
Ah, frick. Okay, wait. This is not how I want it to go. There we go. Okay, so let's start from the very beginning because I haven't I haven't freaking remembered how to do this in a while.
Hey everybody, today I decided I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know to get started working with JavaScript. Throughout this course, we'll be working on a few projects you could add to your portfolio, which include, but are not limited to, a digital clock, a stopwatch, a functioning calculator,
Ooh, calculator?
rock, paper, scissors.
And a game of rock, paper, scissors? Oh my god, I can no longer use my hands now. Now that I have the power of the computer. Oh, hello. So I'm learning how to script.
Slider. And our final project will be a
Oh my
web
god.
app that fetches data from an API. If that sounds
Hmm?
good to you,
Yeah, I'm
I
live
encourage
streaming.
you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Hey, if you don't mind, please give this video a like. Post a
I can't believe I
random comment down
gave
below,
this
and
video a
subscribe
like
if you'd
yet.
like to be a fellow bro. It doesn't cost you anything. Thank you.
Alright.
JavaScript is a programming language used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. JavaScript
Wait, let me
runs
just.
on a web
Okay.
browser such as Google Chrome, Safari, Edge, whatever you use to browse the internet, basically.
I use
We
Firefox.
can respond to user actions and transform user input whenever somebody interacts with our site. In this example, I have a calculator written with HTML. It's not very pretty, and it
Yeah, I don't think I can make a calculator with HTML.
framework that we need at least, though.
Learning how to
We can
code.
add color and style to the
Yeah.
calculator, but
A website.
unfortunately, it doesn't function.
Why?
By including JavaScript
Because it's cool.
this calculator can perform
Try to hack.
as well. useful. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to get started working with JavaScript. I would recommend knowing HTML and CSS before
What's
starting
the
the
website?
series. I
What
do
website
have
are you
a
going to?
Ah, frick. Okay. Before we continue, let me just briefly look at my what I made here so far. How do I frick, how do I do the thing again? Open with live server. Let's do this. Ah, here it is. Okay.
That's what makes open.
Alright, so what I've made here. I don't know why it's not showing up.
Game. And it's so hard. She fights with English. Canada. It's Canada.
What?
That's one.
Oh, you can't do this. Okay. Never mind. Wait. Let me just show you guys what this entire script looks like when put into Firefox. Where is it? This one, this one, this one. Is it this one? Yeah, it's this one. Okay. Yeah, so this is how it looks like so far. Very simple. So if you can see here on my Visual Studio Code, it is a very simple index.html file that I've used for testing this entire JavaScript thing. So there are h1 ID final name. I guess that h1 means header. I know. Label. Why do I have label here instead of? Okay. Input ID names. BR. What's a page break? Wait, let me check my. I guess it's a no. It's not B. Frick. Okay. Well, I guess that's not much. I guess.
Free course on my channel if you're interested in learning those, or if you need a refresher. If you don't know either, you could probably still get by watching this video. I'll walk you through both as we go along throughout the series. Now, before we do begin, you will need a text editor. One text editor that I recommend is VS Code, which you can download from code.visualstudio.com. For a step-by-step instruction of how to install it, feel free to check out the HTML and CSS series. With that out of the way, let's dive right in. So what we'll need.
Okay, wait. I need to remember. What? How do I? Oh, Alt O. Okay. So if I were to say. What if I try to? I just remember how to. There we go. Oh, why is there an error? Alt O. Okay, that definitely changed my website. But if I remove this, there we go. Alt O. This should. Oh no, I did Control S. That's what. There it is. Okay. And notice I also have a bunch of stuff here that I Haven't used yet. What is this? Control S. What is that? Huh? Oh, just a bunch of IDs, I guess. Okay, so let's put back the exclamation point here. There we go. Turn back to a string. And what is this? What's this over here? Control S. Nothing. Okay. I guess it only works if there's a script to this. All right, let me just. Fuck. Maybe I should have. Or maybe I should have learned how to do the scripting before I get into this. HTML before getting into this.
To do is create a new project folder. In VS Code, you can go to the left toolbar, go to Explore. We will open a folder. I'll place this folder on my desktop just for convenience. I will create a new folder, which I will name Website to contain my website files. Let's select this folder. And we are now within our website folder.
I guess you can add more,
we'll need three
files here.
An HTML file, CSS file, and JavaScript.
And yeah, we got all that. For some reason, using CSS files isn't supported in EOCities. At least that's based on my experience. It doesn't work for some reason. So whenever I use the cascading style sheets, I just put right into the index.html file. But yeah, let's see.
File. We'll begin with the HTML file. We can close out of this welcome window. I will name my HTML file index.html.
Yeah.
In a website,
the reason why we call it index.html is because for some reason the computer can only identify one page in your website as the home page if you name it as index.html for some reason. I know there's a way to change it, but I completely forgot how.
The index.html file is typically used as the home page. We have our HTML file. Next comes the CSS file. Mine will be named style.css. The CSS style sheet is in charge of the overall appearance of the web page. This can include fonts, colors, positioning, stuff like that. I
know these are very basic stuff, but hey, I even forgotten the most basic stuff of HTML and CSS, so it doesn't really hurt if I just rewatch some of these parts here.
Then lastly, we have the JavaScript file, which I will name index.js. The JavaScript file is in charge of the interactivity of a web page. So altogether, we have structure, style, and actions.
I have a bunch of stuff here.
So rearrange these tabs however you like. I switch back and forth between the JavaScript and HTML file quite often, so I tend to put them right next to each other, but do whatever's most convenient for you. So to generate the necessary text to create a web page in your HTML file, in VS Code, you can type exclamation point, then hit tab. So here you can change the...
Oh wow. Let me try to do that in another file here. New file. Call it test2. All right. How do I do it again?
VS Code, you can type exclamation point, then hit tab.
Oh, exclamation point, then hit tab. Oh, it's because it's not done. Frick, I forgot to. Let me just rename this. Rename index2.html. There we go. Huh? Exclamation point. There. Okay. That's good. Okay. I guess I remember some of these parts. The head. Don't really worry about the head unless you want to put your style sheet into it. The body, that's definitely where you put all your code, right? when it comes to the HTML source code. And yeah, I try to open this with a live server. Okay, let me just put this right here. Let's change the, how do I change it again to, if I change the title here to say poopy pants. I think I remember saying poopy pants in in another stream I did regarding code at some point. I used poopy pants, then I used Control S. Yeah, it turns the tab name to poopy pants. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's on the very top here. It says poopy pants now. All right, what else? Let's gonna say P. I know lorem 50 gives me a bunch of a bunch of random text, right? Yeah, it gives you random text. All right, I see. And what else do I remember? An image. Source. I know I can use Discord stuff here, right? So let me see. I know that I can just like put my own image from my file folder here, but I know there's a way for me to just use Discord here. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, let's put this donut, copy message link, Control V. Did that do it? Doesn't work. What if I do this? Copy link. Then I get rid of this. Control V. Control S. There we go. And I know there's a way for me to, can I do it again? Link release related. Let me see. ID. Equals ID equals, say, imgur imgur, and let's try to put a I'll make another style sheet here. Actually, I'm just gonna call this AJ styles .css. Okay, and I'm going to create a, what do you do again? A link. href. How do I do this again? Style sheet. Okay, wait. Okay, I see. So it's just AJ styles. Yeah. AJ styles.css. Okay. And now if I go to AJ styles.css and I type in, say, how do I do it again? Ah, fuck, I don't have the Let's see. Or how to make a, is it a hashtag? Hashtag Imgur. And then it's this one, right? And then it's size. All right, let me just save this. Test 2. That didn't do anything. Oh wait, no, maybe it's a height width. Height. Let's try maybe 50. Let's see if that changes anything. There it is. Okay. I'm learning, guys. I'm slowly learning what I've forgotten. So if I do this to 100 pixels. Oh. Okay, that makes it bigger. Yeah, that makes it bigger. Alright. How about REM? Can this work? Okay. Oh, that's big. That's big. Okay. Alright, and if I zoom this in, yeah, it works. As it should be. Okay. Alright. What else have I forgotten about here? Can I make videos here? There's a way to make videos, right? Social media section. Where is my video section here? Links, div. Where's the feature animation section? Oh, I didn't really add a video here. It's just an iframe, I guess. Huh. How do I do a video? There's a way to make a video, right? In this. So let's say video. Let's put on what video can I use? D videos. This D videos. I don't know. Go to Blender. PNGs. Okay, wait. I can place this. Where's my? There it is. Can I do it here? Okay. Alright, let me just do cat2.mkv. That doesn't work. Does it need to be an MP4? Because I don't have that much MP4. Oh, wait, here. Okay, wait. Where is that MP4? There we go. Okay, so short. Where is the button? Play? Huh? It's the I'm now forgetting what the frick it I need. Control. Oh wait, controls. I need controls. That's what I need. Wait. Yeah, let me just look at how to video HTML. What are the... Oh, you put it within video. Okay. There we go. Now I can... Oh wow, that's loud. Okay, that works. I think I can make it smaller. If I just add a ID somewhere. ID equals fairy. There we go. There we go. Okay, so we just copy this. Control C. Control no, not that. This one. Hashtag fairy. Let's get a height of 10 rem. Or 1 rem? Let's see. Oh, did I not forget this? Not save this? Ah, there it is. Okay. AJ Styles. This is 10 rem, please. Yeah, there we go. Let's increase it to 100 rem. $50, no, 30 rem. Same for this. Yeah, okay. Nice. Now I know there's a way for me to change the background image. You just like add a... I just need to add like an ID here somewhere, right? ID equals... Or wait, no, I could just make it a body, but never mind. Let's do it here. Let's do hashtag body. Yeah. and I type in background image or color, go for aquamarine and save this, or wait, no, it says a tag, right? This is just a like that, and Control S. There we go. Alright, let me try to put a background image as well. But you can make a URL. Really now? wait. URL. I want to know what this what this means. Can I get a Google image here? Why am I typing Google in? I'm typing. I just for some reason instinctively type Google in the Google search bar. Let's type in dog. There we go. Let's see. This pug. Let's see. Can I get the image link? Okay. And can I now place this here? Control V. Control S. Ooh, baby, that's a good background image. Although it's kind of repeating itself. I don't want that. How do I get to fit? Image. Background, not image, pay items. Or background. Okay, no repeat. No, I don't want that. Background underscore size cover. Let's see. There we go. Now this is pug. Or how about background size? Let's contain. No, I don't want that. I want the. Oh, you got. Maybe I'll do cover. Cover's good. There we go. Wait, what? Why's that changing? Background repeat? No repeat. Oh, because it doesn't have the. Okay, that's why. If I move this now. Let's see. Control S. Okay. At least I know how to do that. Okay, let's continue with watching this JavaScript tutorial because I haven't freaking made this yet.
So here you can change the title of your webpage if you want. I'll change my title to be my website.
My website?
And that's all we'll need for now. Now we'll
I
need to
name
link
mine
the style
Poopy
sheet
Pants
to the HTML file. Now we are going to create a link tag. We can link an external style sheet to our HTML file. Within the link tag, there is a relationship attribute, shortened to REL. The relationship will be style sheet. We are linking a style sheet.
Yeah.
Then the next attribute we need is the href attribute. Where is the CSS file located? Well, it's right next to each other. We only need the file name.
Okay.
So we are linking the CSS style sheet. Now our CSS style sheet is linked to our HTML file. Now we need to link the JavaScript file to our HTML file. We can do that by adding a pair of script tags.
Oh, by the way, I just noticed that it's not really a clear indication of what you guys are seeing right now. So let's give you guys some added context here. There we go. Okay. I mean, it's not that I'm making a website right now. I'm just making like a test website to sort of show you guys my progress so far in learning JavaScript.
We will set the source attribute to be the name of the JavaScript file, index.js. All right.
Did I do that already? Hold on, before we do this, do script. Oh, not that. Do body script. What can we use? How do you do this again?
Script tags. We will set the source attribute to be the name of the JavaScript file.
Okay. I know that I already have a JavaScript file here, but this is when I was still learning. When I still had the knowledge of index and CSS in mind. I think for this one we'll just go for a basic. We'll start from scratch. That's what I'm saying here. So source equals test2.js. Okay. Save that. Okay, let's get rid of this first. Okay. Thank you. Let's make another JavaScript file here. Call it test2 as well. Okay, good. And this should actually, let me just, I need this to be next to each other. I'll make a new folder, call it test2. All right, let me just, yeah, move it please. Thank you. Yeah, move it please. This won't affect anything here, right? Let's see. If I reload this here. Oh, wait, let me just move this here as well. Move. There we go. That fixed it. And I guess also the ajstyles.css worked here as well. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go back to my video here. I want to see, is there anything else I need to do? Okay.
Index.js. All right, everything should now be linked together. The last thing we'll need is the live server extension in VS Code.
Oh, I already have that.
Extensions.
My God. I think it was not him that introduced me to the live server extension. I think it was programmed in Mosh when I was learning HTML from him. Yeah, like the live extension add-on is just as important as the Node Wrangler add-on in Blender for Blender noobs. It's really like a quick way for you to sort of preview some or test some stuff. In this case, it's on your website and shit.
we will search for live server.
Alright, I'm just gonna go through this video here. I don't think I need
Just
to
gonna
learn
save
about this
everything.
live server extension.
I'm going to right click on our HTML file, then open with live server. And here's our web.
Okay.
The web browser
Mama.
used for a paragraph of text. Now we should have a array of paragraphs. Save.
Okay, what's this guy doing?
Browser. With our HTML file, we can add elements such as an H1 element.
Yeah, I
These
know
are
what
typically
HTML.
used as headers. I'm going to say hello, then save, and that should update automatically. Or you can press the refresh button, but since we have live server installed, we shouldn't need to.
Okay.
Then paragraphs are typically used for a paragraph of text. In VS Code to generate.
Just realized there's also like ways for me to add divisions, right? So if I go back here and say I want to add a, let me just minimize this video over my other screen here. I make a div. Let's do a div. And this div will have a ID of, say, box 1. Okay, and we go to AJ styles and I type in hashtag box 1. Let me just save this part here. Actually, let me just get rid of this. Delete. Yeah, delete that, please. Thank you. Okay. Oh, I don't need that. Box 1. Control S. Okay. Thank you, Prettier, for fixing up my code. Let's change the background color here to, say, aqua. How does that look like? Nothing. Okay, how about we change the height here to 40 pixels. Or 40 rem. Let's do 40 rem. Wow, that's big. And a width of, say, 20 rem. Let's see how this looks. Oh, okay. Now I forgot how do I move this to here? There's a way to move it there, right? How did I do it in this section here? Frick. Oh wait, I haven't been reading your guys' chat. Oh hi, you. Sorry, I haven't been reading my chat for some reason. Fuck. Hello, what's up? Elturan Equilarty. Yeah, I know there's like a way for me to change those size, but I'm just this is pretty much just a test stream for me to remember what the frick HTML and CSS are. Inline block. Divs are block elements. Ooh, inline. Okay, let me see. Thank you, man. Let's see. Inline block, or is it inset? Inline. Inline dash or inset block or what? Inline inset block. Is it this one? Let me see. No, it doesn't do it. I think I'm not. It's not gonna work like that. The thing is still underneath it. I wanna like. Just for testing purposes. I wanna sort of remember how to put this in line with the donut and the video here. What was it? I mean, I can just like change the position and all, but I think that changes the the look of it, right? If I were to zoom it in and out. Display. Display block. Is it that one? Oh, okay. Inline block. Inline. Alright, let's see. Oh! I see. Ah, that works. Works real good. Okay. But just for testing purposes, I'm just gonna... How do I change this back to a... This is how you... No, it's not how it, this is how it works. It's already a block element. Okay. At least I know how to do that at least. Okay, so I'm just gonna test something here. Just to sort of remember some shit about CSS. It's like no, it's not it. It's a top bottom. Position. Hey, you're learning CSS. That's nice. I think I've learned CSS in just a matter of 3 days, but now it's been like 4 months and I completely forgot what all about CSS because I was busy with so much stuff in my personal life. Position. Let's see. Oh, that's not it. Is it top? Yeah, top. Top 50. I know it's gonna look ugly, but I just want to see if this is gonna change anything. Or 500, let's see. I won't do anything, right? Still got a lot to do. Yeah, uni don't let me to improve myself either. Yeah. Oh my god. What course are you taking? Because I don't think any course would give you so much things to do than medical school. Because I don't know, like I've seen parodies online about how people in medical school are always bombarded with so many things to do that they actually graduate a lot later than expected. And you know, since I'm in medical school, I can sort of confirm that's sort of the case for me as well. Which element have fairy idea? It's the video. It's the video with the orange trees and the character. But yeah, I'm learning all of this in what's it called? In CS. I know in I'm learning all this through just YouTube tutorials and stuff. I like Broco tutorials a lot more than Program with Mosh. I think you can also agree with that because he posts a lot of his shit for free, and it's always so they always explain everything in full detail. Like at Mosh, he sometimes like puts some of his tutorials in a sort of course you need to pay for, which I don't mind people who goes for who makes a living out of, you know, making tutorials, but you know, I'm also a broke ass college student, so I appreciate bro code's tutorials more than program with Mosh. Let's see, bottom. Will this change anything? Let's see. No. Maybe if I position top. No, it's or wait, is it? Or is it just this one? That's not gonna work. wait, let me look at the. I need to look at this CSS position property. Okay. Oh, I'm doing this completely wrong. I think it's this, then relative, then I do 500. No. No? Really? Or maybe I need to do this. Oh, the HTML script. This is the HTML script right now. So as you can see, the video has the ID fairy in it. It already has the controls, the source code here, and of course the, you know, the file. Yeah, W3 Schools is pretty good if I want to read. Okay, so what's the problem here? Oh, is it this one? Let's see. Or should I make it absolute? Ah, there it is. Okay. that's how I use the position property. So bottom 500 pixels. Okay, that's good. And the top, of course, I can also add some stuff here as well, like a left 200 pixels. I heard rem works best when you want to optimize your thing for zooming in and out. But when I tried to do that on my own website, it didn't work well. Anyway. Oh, that's all I need to know about this. I'm just gonna just leave it as 5 pixels by 5 pixels for now. There we go. I think this is, yeah, okay. All right, that works. Of course, percentage. I didn't know that. But yeah, I heard RAM works, but I guess percentage also works as well. Yeah, PX sucks. That's the common thing I've heard from most tutorials when optimizing your website for all devices. You don't use the PX measurement, because I think it's like a different PX for all devices, I think. But okay, now we got that. But now that I remembered some CSS and HTML. Boy, did I show you my website from before? It's how it looks like. You'll Eluf Eltran. Okay, this was my old. This was my first ever website I made. For my own channel. It was like a. Oh, this is not it. This is definitely not it. Where is my website? This is not it. Wait. Where's the vanilla log website? Well, I guess I can show you my WordPress right now because I don't know where it is, but this is what my website was. Oh, this is not it. This is it. Yeah, this is what my website looks like right now. It has a logo that you can press to go to the home page, a background image I made for myself in Blender, an about me section, a feature animation section with my latest animations, some music. Do they still work? No, it doesn't work. Some recent art, and featured art I've made. And for some reason it's not showing up here. I wonder why. I sort of use Discord as my file dump to, you know, to import my photos from Discord to NeoCities. But I think for some reason Discord keeps changing the URL of my images, hence why you can't really see it right now. I also used to have a bunch of channel icons here. Social media icons here that I've customized for myself, but I guess it's not working here. And my latest live stream. I guess I have to change that as well. And some recent blog posts I haven't changed for the longest time now. Oh, shit. Are there any file dumps that you can recommend that offers me unlimited storage for my photos and stuff? Cause I heard Discord was great, but now that I'm looking at it, it only temporarily shows my images and stuff. Yeah, you don't trust Discord either. Well, do you even have a file dump, or do you just like place your files in a, what's it called? You just directly reference your images from your computer or from your own file storage, because Google Drive, really? Google Drive is good and all, but it only has like 15 gigabytes of storage if you're using the free version, and that's a no-no for me. If I'm especially if I want to use like videos and stuff. I guess for videos I just only need to import iframes of my own YouTube videos, I guess. Well, when it comes to Google Drive, do they offer you the option to have unlimited storage if you pay for a subscription? I guess that could work. For $100? $400, 100 gigabytes. Ooh, that's I mean, I guess 100 gigabytes would probably be useful for me for a couple of years while using this website. Huh. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's $199 for 100 gigabytes. Is that a subscription service, or is it let me see. Google Drive storage pricing. I just want to look at this first. all the storage you need. Find what's important before you've been searched. Organize team files in a shared space. Okay. Where are the pricing? Monthly? Oh my god, it's ever had to be a subscription service now. Cloud storage pricing. Let me see. Huh. Oh, let me see. Let me see. Okay, so oh, I can go up to 2 terabytes if I want to. It's only for 89 pesos per month. Wow. So yeah, I guess you're right. That 89 pesos, that's technically just like a little less than $2, I guess. I could do so much with 100 gigabytes. All right, I get. Okay. I see your game, Google. All right. Okay, sure. Maybe I'll think about it when I'm actually serious about making a website. For now, let's go back to bro code and let's learn a little bit of some JavaScript, which is something I haven't learned even while I
random paragraph of text. You can type Lorem,
even while I knew
tab.
about HTML and CSS.
Now we should have a random paragraph. I believe it's Latin. At least it looks like it. To change the style of our web page, we can go to our style sheet.
Okay.
To change the style of the body of our document, we will select body. I'll change the font family to something else. Font family. How about Verdana? There we now.
Oh, you can actually. Forgot font families exist as well. So if I do ID equals Latin crap, and I'm gonna copy this. Control C. Let me just go back here. Hashtag Latin crap. And let's change the font family here to I don't know. Do I have Comic Sans here? No. Oh my god, really don't have Comic Sans? I'm gonna make this funny. I'm gonna make this funny without Comic Sans. About no, we don't have Impact. Okay. Let's try this one. And the font size to let's try medium. Do anything? Alright, Control S. Control S. Oh, it did. Okay. I need to change the freaking size here. Large. $100 pixels. This should work, right? There we go. My god. Latin is funny. Okay. My God, I'm such a toddler brain right now. Okay, let's go back to JavaScript. My God, why am I thinking about that shit?
To increase the font size, you can set the font size property to be either in pixels or EM. Personally, I'm a fan of using EM. 2EM means 200%, where 3EM is 300%.
Oh, that's what percentage. Oh, I guess that's what you mean when you say percentage. Just that in my neck of the woods, we call it REM, I guess.
But that's a little too big. Let's stick with 2EM. All right, and that is everything we need to get started. Oh, important note, you do want your script element at the bottom of the body of your document. Just in case there's an error with your JavaScript file, you do want all of the HTML elements to at least render first, before running any JavaScript code. All right, so let's delete our h1 elements and our paragraph element. We no longer need them for now. Be sure to save everything. We'll work with some basic output. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. To output some text, you can type console.log, add a set of parentheses, then a semicolon at the end. Within the set of...
Oh. Console.log. Let me see that. Console.log. Oh my God, this here takes me back to when I first learned how to do Python. Granted, I don't use Python anymore because I don't really have any use of it as a person just learning how to script as a hobby. But if I can remember correctly, this is like their way of printing text.
Parentheses to output some text. You can either use double quotes, single quotes, or backticks.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's type in poopy pants. Let's see, does this work? That didn't do anything.
Personally, I'm a fan of
What's the
using
poopy
these
pants?
backticks. This is known as a template literal. They're helpful with inserting variables, which we will discuss in the next lesson. Using either double quotes or single quotes or backticks, we can output some text. Let's say the word hello. Be sure to save.
Node.js. I love JS, but I've only used Node.js. Is Node.js another language? Another programming language? I don't know about Node.js. Oh wait, is that like if I can remember correctly, like we also have Blender nodes in Blender. Is that like a visual version of nodes of JavaScript?
I'm holding Control S on Windows. There's no apparent output. We have to go to DevTools. So right click on your web page.
DevTools, what? Oh wait, is it here? More tools. There it is. Web tool, DevTools. Ah, there's my poopy pants. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't know if OBS can show it to you guys, but poopy pants is there. It's like using JS without browser. What? I use terminal. Terminal? You mean a black and white thing? That black and white screen that looks scary as heck. Wow. What's that used for? Is that like a backend? Is that a backend language? Because there's no way anyone would use that unless they're into backend stuff or something. Okay, let me just type in PP. Huh. Okay, there it is. Yeah, this is definitely the console logs working. Huh. Oh, this is a backend language. If I can recall, like backend languages are used for making some what's it called? Forgot. but it's for making some stuff that you don't normally see in your daily life. It's like it's used for making stuff that you can't really imagine, like AI algorithms and stuff. I know there's some more use to it than just AI, but that's like the one thing I've seen people use that term on whenever they talk about backend language.
Go to inspect, then console.
Oh my
And
god.
here's our basic output. Hello. For an additional
Handling request. Oh, okay.
line of output,
I gotta ask though, are you like site send us request and you respond? Oh. So it's like a automatic messaging system. So is it are those like the reasons why I keep getting spam from my email or something? Oh my god.
we can console.log again. Let's print a different message. I like pizza. Let's save.
Okay, I get now what the console log's
With this-
about.
We'll use a template literal. We'll need a set of backticks.
Oh, also window alert. Window underscore window dot alert. Lol. Let's see. Ah, that works. That's so funny. Oh wow. Dang. As for me, I don't really have any use for backend languages. Like cause I don't know, I just have fun making websites and stuff. Maybe if I get into, I don't know, making games, maybe I'll learn a backend language. Isn't C# a backend language or something? Okay.
This is an alert. This should create a pop-up window. This is an alert. Let's create another. Let's copy what we have, paste it. I like pizza. Let's save.
Okay, I get it.
That developers. This is a comment. So when I run this program, then if we were to
Alright.
type this,
Okay, let me just turn this into text for now. I don't think I need this right now, so I'm just going to turn this into a string. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, oh, I guess it is a C#. It's a backend language.
is a comment. You can see that the text is green. That means it's a comment. Alerts are kind of annoying, to be honest. All right, HTML file. I will create an there will be some text. Within our HTML file, I will create an H1 element. H1s are usually used for headers or titles. There will be no text content yet, but I will set an ID. I will give this H1 element a unique ID of my H1. Feel free to pick a different ID, something you'll remember. I will also create a paragraph element. I will
Okay.
set the ID. There's no text. I need to select these elements by their ID. My H1. Here, we will type document, meaning the document of our web page, dot get element by ID. Do pay attention to the capitalization.
Alright. Okay, let me try this thing here. Document dot get element by ID. And are those brackets? Okay.
ID are we getting? Let's start with my h1, so copy the ID, paste it within the set of parentheses. Be sure you're including quotes as well. Follow this with dot text content. We will set this equal to, how about the word hello?
Okay. Let's see. Let's start with Latin underscore crap. And let's do, what's that? Use / at the start of a line. It will be converted to the comment. Oh, I mean, like yeah, I mean, I started seeing this in the video itself, but I want to use the asterisk / key because it controls everything that I want to turn into a string. Text content equals hi. Let's see if this works. Control S. Oh wait, hi. There.
Let me zoom out a little. Again, this can be backticks, single quotes, or double quotes.
Did I get it correctly? Latin underscore crap. Okay. Okay, that should work, right? Maybe if I get rid of the Latin here. Okay. Huh. Where is my hi?
Alright, let's type the word hello. Now when I save and refresh the page, that h1 element should display the word hello. Now this time let's get our paragraph element with the ID of my p, my paragraph.
Oh yeah, you're right. Maybe that's it. Control C. Okay, I'll put it at the very end. I think you're right about that. Control S. Ah, okay. Now, let me see. Will this affect my... If I were to type lorem50 here. Okay, so I see how it works. So like the website will just read this from top to bottom. And since the script is in the very bottom, it will overwrite what I've written here and turn it into just hi, instead of whatever Latin is written here. That's interesting. Okay. Alright, that's good.
Document.get element by ID. The ID that we're getting is my p.
Alright.
Can we script HTML element? You first have to select that element, then change the. That is the very basics of JavaScript, and in the next we're choosing. All right, everybody. So that is content. An HTML element. You first have to select that element, then change the text content.
It's like
Then set it
interpretator.
equal to some text of your choosing.
It's like what's interpretator?
Alright, everybody, so that is the very basics of JavaScript, and in the next topic, we will cover variables. Alright, well, it's time that we discuss variables. Do you remember from middle school Or elementary school, when you learned algebra, you had to solve for what the value of x was. X was some representation of a value. Well, that's kind of what a variable is in programming. It's a container that stores a value.
Oh,
The variable
here we go.
behaves as if it were the value it contains. There's two steps to creating a variable: declaration and assignment. To use a variable, we have to first declare it. We'll use the let keyword, then a unique variable name.
Alright, let's
X,
change this
then
into
a
a
semicolon.
comment here.
So what we've done is declaration. Each variable name needs to be unique. If I were to declare another variable named x, we would run into an error, a syntax error. Identifier x has already been declared, so your variable names need to be unique. I can declare two variables, x and y, and they both have different names. That is fine, but they can't have the same name. The next step to creating a variable is to assign it a value. Once you declare your variable, you don't need to declare it again. So I'm going to assign x to equal some number like 100. We can use this variable.
Read code line by line and apply them instead of reading whole code and applied. We call them interpreter. Line apply them. Ah, okay. Ah, are you like are you like a computer ACS student or something? That's that's interesting. Okay, so I guess that's how it works. Okay.
X, and it will behave as if it was the value 100. Let me demonstrate. So if I was to console.log x, well then it's going to display 100. If I were to change this value to 123, well...
Oh, okay. Now can this be a string? Let's see. If I change this to hello, and I try the console.log function here. X. Okay. Ah, okay. So it works for strings, it works for values. Oh, alright.
X is now 123. You can do both declaration and assignment together. That would look something like this. Let x equal 123. This is both declaration and assignment. If you're creating a program and you know what your values should be, you can assign them a value right away. Sometimes you may want to accept some user input, so then you might do assignment later in 2 steps. It's really up to you how you write your program. There's a few different data types in JavaScript. The first is number, like 123. Let's create a descriptive name for our variable like age. We will store a user's age. According to my analytics in YouTube, the average age...
Okay. Oh, computer engineering student. What's the difference between a computer science student and a computer engineering student? I always get those two confused. Yeah, it's like what's the difference? I guess the only thing I know about the difference between CS students and computer engineering students is that one is all about the theoretical sides of things, while the engineering side is on the application side of things. Taking user input in JS is harder than C++. I know C++ so well. Whoa. Oh man, what the heck? Computer science is about math so much math. But don't you also do math? Since you're Or are you like or it's like computer engineering more so in the hardware side of things? Oh, it is about so yeah, so I guess you're more in the application side of things, I guess. I see. So I guess in layman's terms, it's like taking a course in philosophy versus taking a a bachelor's in education. Like one will give you money, one will probably not. Yeah, I guess so. Sorry, philosophy students, you're basically not gonna be making any money.
Of my viewers is 25. So let's say that my age is 25. Then if I was to console.log my age variable, it would behave as if it were the number 25. Let's create a few more variables. Another example of a number could be price. Let price equal $10.99. Maybe it's $10.99 or some other unit of currency of your choosing. Then we will console.log price, $10.99. What about a GPA, a grade point average? My grade point average is a solid 2.1. It's not great, but C's get degrees. Console.log GPA 2.1. Using a template literal, we can insert a variable using a placeholder. Within console.log, I will use backticks. Let's write a sentence.
I know hardware as well instead of computer coding. Ooh. You see, I think I'm the opposite. I know a lot about. Well, not really. I don't really know about software, but I can. I mean, I know a lot about software, but I don't know a lot about the hardware side of things. Like, if you tell me it's good to build a computer right now, I don't think I would. I'd probably like I know like scratch something in my CPU or something, or forget to get rid of a sticker to like attach the CPU to the motherboard or something.
You are, then to insert a variable, use $, curly braces. Place your variable name within the curly braces. Then we can.
Oh. Actually, you know what? I've already done this in my other file here. Okay. Type of charisma. What the heck is all of these things here? Wait. I need to know, what the fuck is this? Oh wait, no, control. Can you control Z this? Thank you. I see a transfer student. True. Okay. Full name. Was repairing my computer since I was a child. Well, as for me, when I was a kid, I barely touched my computer, even though I once had a Windows 7 computer in my home. The reason why is because we don't really have that much money, and if I were to just like go hog wild on my computer's own motherboard or something, I think I would most likely break something that we couldn't easily replace and shit. Which is why, you know, I don't really touch my computers that much. Okay. So this is how let me see. I need the what even is this? Let me see. Okay, let me just reuse an old JS file here. This is when I was making this is back when I was learning JavaScript for the first time. But now that I've forgotten about some stuff, I also forgot about what I've learned here. Okay, let me try to use this to my advantage. I'm gonna go back here. Open up the dev tools here as well. I'm gonna save this. I have something up my butt. So this is what's, so my variable here for x is butt. And over here is the console log, which says I have something up my $, and the variable here is x. So that's why it says here I have something up my butt. And in that code, oh, just like I'm just relearning variables here. Hold on. Type of charisma? What? Do I have any self-respect? False. Okay. So this is what's coming from here. Charisma number. Okay. And I guess this is from here. Boop 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 boop. Boop boop boop. Okay. Sorry, man. If you were here the last time I've streamed JavaScript, you would have understood why the frick there's this new lines of code here. Oh wait, I used to integer? What? Oh yeah, this one. This one, yeah. So yeah, just to give you context, this isn't my first time learning JavaScript, but since I haven't been, sorry, since I haven't touched VS Code in a while, I'm sort of really relearning everything here. Okay. Full name, Morgan Ozpin. Name is is a transfer student? True. Okay. Okay, so that's how it works. So you can also use the get element ID for booleans, strings, and numbers here. Okay. And then, sorry, my sister is here, guys. I don't think she knows what I'm doing right now. Okay, I'm just gonna skip through this lesson here from bro code because I think I already know what's the thing here. Oh shit, wait.
Include, but are not limited to, a digital clock, a stopwatch, a functioning calculator.
Right, there you did this, wait.
Alright, let's turn these lines into comments. Typically, they're used offline. This is variable within a add my boolean variable of online. Bro is online. That is true. If I were to change this to false, as a sort of sale or not. Or this car for sale. is student. Is somebody a student? Are they enrolled? This can be true or false. Console.log.
Alright, let's skip to lesson 3
What's going
here.
on, everybody? So today I need to explain arithmetic operators because, well, programming can sometimes involve a lot of math. Operands are values, variables, etc. In this equation, 11x.
Actually, you know what? Let's just pause on bro code here for a bit. Let me just look at my my stuff here.
What stuff?
Okay, uses PEMDAS.
My wallet.
Alright. Okay, before bro code speaks, I think I just need to make sense of what I'm working here. Okay. Okay, I think I've already got a good little crash course in what variables are, so I'm just going to convert this back into freaking Hey, thank you, man. Alright. Have a nice day as well. I'm just gonna be working on this for a bit. Oh, what the fuck?
What?
There we go. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to look at some of these sites here. So I guess this is my lesson on arithmetic operators. Okay. Alright. So this one should probably turn this into Control S. Did that do anything to my user in? No, it didn't do anything. Console.log. Oh, this one's not the one that's messing things up. There we go. Okay. So that does that. Okay, so I guess based on this code here, starting off with a value of 30, a variable of 30 for my wallet. If I use this, it will add the value of 1. This will subtract it by 5, making it 25. This one divided by 2, making it 15. Times 2, that makes it 60. This one, what is this? Is it exponent value? Control S. 30 by 30. 30 times 30, that's 900. Yeah, this is the exponent operator. Boop boop. What is this though? Divided by 4. Let's just get the remainder. Control S. Alright, let me just 428. Yeah, this gives me the remainder of a division. Okay. Oh, this just adds on to itself. What is this? Wait. Forgot, what does this do again? Alright, what is this? 31 plus equals 1. Oh, is this like a shortcut in case I wanna shorten it and not repeat the my wallet variable? Okay. And what is this then? 31. Okay, this I guess adds it by 1. Alright. And okay, so I think this should turn it into 60. I know, 1 times 2, 2. 32. This is a 32, right? Yeah, okay. Alright, I think I learned about arithmetic operators. Yeah, I think this is easy stuff to learn about. This is just basic mathematics. And now what's this then? Okay, let me just turn this back into comments. Let's do this and this. Control C. Okay. Now let's go ahead and what's your name? Okay, let's see what this is all about. Document get element. What's my submit? A button? What does this do? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna remove all of this here. So let nickname equals window prompt. What's your name? Right, Control S. Let's type in more again. Okay. What's it do? Document got element equals function. Nickname equals document dot get element. Huh? What? Element by ID names. Where is this? Okay. What does this do? Names. Okay. Document like element by ID. My submit. Okay, wait, if I type in Morgan and Morgan submit. Okay, wait, what? Function, nickname, huh? Okay. I don't get this. Wait. Alright, so my submit is what's causing this function to occur, I guess. Since it's a button. Okay. And once it runs this function here, wherein it turns my nickname what's the names, huh? Oh, it's okay, it's here. Input. Turns into value, I think? Huh. Document.getElement by ID function. Nickname document.getElement by ID. Final name. What's final name? Oh. Wait, if I get rid of this. Control S. Morgan. Why is it not why is it not printing it here anymore? Document.getElement by ID. And if I Control C equals Control V. That doesn't do anything. What? Huh. All right. I'm going to delete this. Huh. And for this one as well. What's your name? Oh, maybe if I do this, Control V dot value. Morgan. Oh, hi Jace. What's up? Yeah, it's been a long time, man. It's I don't know, when's the last time I've nickname. Okay. This is confusing as heck. If I get rid of this here, oh, it won't work. It doesn't work like that, I guess. Little update, I got much better with coding, and I'm making a little website. My dog recently passed. Oh, got a new one. Oh, that's sad. I hope you're doing good. Yeah, that's sad to hear. But I guess it's good for you that you're learning much more about coding. As for me, man, I definitely haven't improved since the last time I've streamed because I was busy making a music album, a animation, some art projects that I completely neglected the entire field of coding for a while. And now I'm trying to relearn everything from scratch. Anyway, good to see that you're making websites, Jace. Okay. Now I need to learn what's wrong with this. Okay, wait, I need to learn about accepting user input from bro code here.
Yeah, what's going on, people? So today I'm gonna...
Sorry. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah, there's just like I just like focus on so much shit that I completely neglect some aspects of my skills in the long run because of it. So it's kind of bad for my coding skills.
to show you how we can accept some user input in...
What's the issue? Everything. I'm well, right now I'm sort of focusing on relearning JavaScript right now. And right now I'm trying to learn how to accept user input. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to create a window prompt here that will tell me, hey, what's your name? And when I type in a name in that window prompt, that name will show up in my console. But for some reason it's not working.
In JavaScript, generally there's two good ways of doing this. The easy way is to create a window prompt. The professional...
yeah, an input box. So I'll basically just write a name in a window prompt. Then through that window prompt, after pressing OK on the window prompt, it will now display my name in the console log here.
Way is to create an HTML text box of some sort, and you'll likely need a button to submit the user input. Let's begin with the easy way to use.
All right, let me just.
Then to create a window, parentheses, and press OK. We have this variable username. It will have a value, but we should do something with it. Let's console.log our username. Let's try that again. What's your username? I'll type.
Oh, yeah, that's also what I suspect is happening here. That's why I've got all this stuff here. Yeah, I guess you're right. You're right about that. Oh yeah, you're right. It's forgot the law. What the other guy said about what's it called? It's what did he say? Interpretator. Like it's reading it from top to bottom, right? I guess this one's like causing it to reset itself. Wait. If I maybe do this, let's do Control S. Oh, it's not working anymore. Oh yeah, you're right. It's like this. I think it's this. I think it's something with this, right? It will only work if I. Maybe if I type in let nickname. No, it won't work like that. Okay. If I just maybe get rid of this, type in Morgan. You guys, you may not see the window prompt here because I have OBS set to window cast only. Okay, and then press submit. Oh, it's overriding this as well. So I need to. I'm also going to block this function here. Okay, Control S. And it's not working anymore for some reason. What? Oh, accidentally exit out of that. Let nickname equals window dot. I can't exactly see the error. Yeah, me too, man. It's uncaught syntax error, unterminated comment. Oh, you mean this? I think this is what's causing the issue. Wait. There. Ah, alright. If I type in Morgan now.
What kind of face is that? There you go.
Undefined. Maybe if I turn it to string. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, it's well, yeah, it's not work. It's definitely not an error, but it's say that's undefined. Even though I
Why
type
is his face
in
like that?
what?
Why is his face like that?
Oh shit, you're right. What the frick happened to my
No,
my webcam?
No, not your face. His face.
Oh, I don't know.
What kind of face is that?
What the frick is wrong with my webcam? Wait. Oh my god, tracking error.
What's a tracking?
Ah shit, I think my computer is losing it right now. Alright, something's wrong with my webcam. Ah shit.
Why do you even use that?
Because it's funny. Never used the wizard. Alright, okay, what the fuck is wrong with my
Face.
with my not my face, my with this input. Let's see. Maybe if I VC face looks like the sticks and bones that will break your bone.
Huh? What?
Will break my bones.
Base face looks
I don't know if it's that
sticks
hard, man.
and stuff.
Sorry, my
break my
sister
bone.
is talking right now.
What's he trying to say?
He's trying to say that I think he's having a hard time working with VC face. I'm surprised you know about VC face, Jace. Considering that I think you came here when I was doing my coding streams.
Hi. I'm gonna jump on your bed.
Huh.
What is your juice?
Oh well, I think let's get rid of this string for now. I just want to see if maybe if I just move the console log to here, it will change it.
And the marshmallow.
Making a string could work. Hold on, before I test that. Okay, it works like that. It just doesn't work whenever it's here, I think. Okay. Okay, I'll just put something here first.
Your blanket. Oh, ouch! will become a bird.
Hmm.
Wait.
Thought of making it nickname a empty array and just storing nicknames there, then printing whatever that array from the input box. I hope that makes sense.
Input box. We'll do that.
I guess so. Actually, I don't get it. I don't get it. Quick.
You don't get anything.
Oh shit.
Ouch.
I mean, yeah, I guess that would be more functional, but I wanna see if this could work. If I can put it into a console. I mean, it works if I just do.
I will steal your blanket in the back. Ouch, ouch.
Let me see.
I tripped.
Document.get element by ID. No. Okay. Hey guys, my sister's freaking jumping around here for some reason. Alright, let me just look at this tutorial for you.
Feel free to type in yours. Let's check our dev tools.
Let nickname slash
function. Function. What?
Code that stores input data code
Code
that
is
adds
what
the
you're
input data to that array code to also print out. Yeah, I think I don't know. This is none of this really makes sense to me. The how you say I describe the empty array.
Why do you add a heart?
Oh no, this is a YouTube thing, YouTube chat thing.
Hey, your pen. I write on the paper. Please.
All right. Tell you what, I think it's already now over past my my streaming schedule here. I might need to end the stream here. Unless I just study this on my off time, I think I think it's a bad thing for me that I'm doing this while streaming.
Those two people.
So I'll just end the stream here, guys. Frick. It's kind of hard to to learn about this while also streaming. So I'll come back to this when I have a little bit of more knowledge in my disposal. So for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Jace, for helping me out, even though I don't really know anything about empty arrays. Okay, thanks, man. Yeah, you're a good help. You're a big help. So I'll thank you for that. So so while my sister here is having a stroke, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next stream. And bye bye.
Yeah.
Now go read a book.
No, don't.
When